Next is problem 6.2, work together. It's on page 129 of your textbook. What we're going to do here is we're going to do a bank reconciliation statement. We're going to prove that our numbers match with what the bank has for our checking account balance. Anyone who has a checking account balance should do this every month. Every month you'll get a bank statement, whether it be electronically or sent to you in the mail. And you should prove just to make sure that your numbers are correct and make sure the bank didn't make a mistake, because sometimes that actually happens as well. Alright, so first thing, you want to put the date, and the date is July 29th. In the current year. Put that at the top. And then you go over the balance on check stub number. Now, the numbers on the left. Okay, the numbers on the left are your numbers. Okay, these are the ones that you have. So you're going to look and see what you have on your last check stub. And it's check stub number 106. So I'm just going to delete this up here. And you can just write it in. So it's the last check stub that you have a balance for, not 1-6. Get that. There it goes. 106. And it's for $1,575. Alright, now, down below we're going to deduct any bank charges that we have. So we look through and we see in our textbook that there is a $2 bank charge. Alright, so, and the charge is for a service charge. So we're going to put service charge. And $2. Total is 2. And then we're going to deduct those, and we should get a total of $1,573. Now the right side is anything that the bank has. So you look on the bank statement, you look at the balance, and you see it's $1,528. Any outstanding checks, you go down, you see there's 2 of them. There's an outstanding check number 103 and 105. Actually, I'm sorry, first one is outstanding deposits on July 28th. You see that there's an outstanding deposit for $150, so you can put the date. An outstanding deposit there we go. An outstanding deposit is a deposit that has not been received yet by the bank, meaning you took it into the bank, but it did not appear on the bank's records yet. It will, but it's not appearing on it yet. It has to clear first. So it's 150. And you're going to add that into your balance, and you find out that you have $1,678. Now we're down to the outstanding checks. Now, outstanding checks are checks that you've written that have not been cleared yet by the bank, whether the person you wrote them to, if they're still have not cashed it yet, or you wrote it after the time that the bank printed the bank statement out. So you have 2 of them. You have 103 and 105. And they are an amount of 70 and 35. And the total is 105. And then the adjusted bank stub balance is 1,573. And you should see that both the adjusted bank stub balance and the adjusted check stub balance are equal, and that should happen. What I want you to do is circle them when they're equal. I can't circle them because one here, well, actually I guess I could, but I'm just going to highlight them for you. Make sure everyone knows that those 2 should be the ones that are equal. And that's 6-2.